Hi everyone, here's a little additional tutorial on OneSearch to show you hopefully how to isolate the ebooks. You're still going to have to check them like I showed you in the other tutorial, but I'm going to show you what filters to use. So I'm going to type in my basic search term, hit online books and articles. I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side. I'm going to click online. And then I'm going to scroll down to where it says books. And then I'm going to scroll down to where it says genres. And I'm going to click electronic books. So hopefully what that does is gives me everything online and electronic books, but you still will have to check them. So like just click on available online, and that's academic, EBSCO academic ebook, so that's good. If it says anything else, if it says article up top, then that's not what you're looking for. And these are all EBSCO academic books. So make sure when you grab the permalink that you actually grab it from here and not here. So just click on the link and it will take you to the book, and then just go over here to click permalink. Okay, so that was my little fast tutorial on how to isolate the ebooks. Just remember, go over to the left-hand side, click online, click books, click electronic books, and electronic books were under genre. If you click on that, and it was under there. So that should hopefully help you so that you don't get articles and books, because sometimes it'll say book up here, but you click on it, it's actually an article. So using the filters is one way of trying to avoid that problem. You can avoid it altogether if you just go straight to the EBSCO ebook database. Let me show you where that is. Here's the library homepage. Here's the search ebooks. And then here's the page. This is where you put all your search terms in. And if you watch the video, the tutorial video I made last week, it will probably help you with any questions that you have on how to search in this. And one more thing, if you are having problems finding ebooks, because sometimes they can be harder to find, especially if you have a newer topic, you can also use the Gale ebooks over here. Just click on that. These are more the encyclopedias, and you can just type in your term. And then these ebooks will come up. And these look more like articles as well, but I will accept the encyclopedias as ebooks as well. And then you would just go up here and click on the get link and do the permalink right there. And that might help some of you that have newer topics that might be having a hard time finding ebooks for the assignment for week 3. Okay, so if anybody has any questions, let me know. Email me.